Hello there, it's me MD with you here on Everything PS. Here we go again. With a new Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I am gonna show you how to create a typewriter effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like this. If you are interested, stay tuned. After creating your project, I am in the Effects workspace. If you don't see it, go to the Window menu, Workspaces, and choose Effects. And if you want to follow along with me, you will find anything I am using here, down below in the description box. Download the files, and let's get into it. Let's add our text. Select the Type tool or press T on your keyboard. And start typing your text. For me, I will type, Everything PS. And go up here in the Effect Controls panel. If you can't see it, go to the Window menu. And choose Effect Controls. Or press Shift+5 on your keyboard. And adjust your text as you like, choose the font. And don't forget to double-click on the text to select it. To apply any changes to your text. Also, you can adjust the appearance, like fill, stroke, background, etc. Also, you change the scale and position. When you are happy with your text, let's add our effect. We will start our effect after one frame. So I will mark the beginning. Then, I will go to the Effects panel to get our effect. If you can't see the Effects panel, go to the Window menu and choose Effects. Or you can press Shift+7 on your keyboard. Then, go to the search bar and start typing linear wipe. Then, drag the effect to the text layer on the timeline. And now, go to the linear wipe effect in the Effect Controls panel. And to know how this effect works, I will play with the transition completion value. But here we have a situation. We need the effect to start playing from the left to right side. To do this, I am gonna change the value of the wipe angle to -90. Now, enter a value of transition completion, which suitable for your text. For me, I will enter 85%. And put the playhead on the timeline at the start frame. And go to the transition completion parameter and add a keyframe. By clicking on this little stopwatch icon. Then, move the playhead on the timeline to about 1 second to the right. And now, change the value of transition completion back to 0. Which automatically will add another keyframe. Now, let's see the result. Notice that if you want to make the move fast, make the keyframe close to each other. And if you want to make the motion look slow, move the second keyframe away from the first one a little bit. As you can see here. Notice the difference. Now, to make the motion look smooth, go to the second keyframe and right-click on it and choose Ease Out. And go to the first keyframe, right-click on it and choose Ease In. Now, see the result. The next step is adding the sound effect. You will find these sound effects down below in the description box. You can download them. I will use this one here. I am gonna drag it to the timeline. And I will choose a suitable section from this track. Let's see the result. Now, add the marker that appears when you are typing. We will do another few steps. Follow along with me. I am gonna go to the project panel and click on this little icon down here and choose black video. Hit OK. And drag the black video to the timeline right above the text layer. Select the layer of the black video on the timeline and go to the effects panel and start typing tint in the search bar, and then drag this effect to the black video's layer on the timeline. We use this effect to change the black video color, which you can change to whatever you want. For me, I will change it to white color. In the effect controls panel, go to the tint effect and go to the map black to parameter and click on this little triangle and choose your color, which for me will be white color. Now, go up to the motion section and uncheck the uniform option and change the value of the scale width to 0.5 and also scale the height to a value suitable for your text. Let's lower the resolution to make this easier. Adjust the position and scale height according to your text. Now, put the playhead at the starting frame and move the marker to the beginning of the text. After we finish this adjustment, I am gonna add a position keyframe at the beginning of the text and move the playhead to the frame where the last letter will appear. And change the position of the marker to the end of the text, which automatically will add another keyframe. Let's see the result. I think it looks nice. Now, if you want to make this more realistic, we will make the marker appear in a frame and disappear at the next frame. Let me show you how to do this. Put the playhead at the beginning of the motion. Select the razor tool or press C on your keyboard. Cut. Move one frame with the right arrow on your keyboard. And make another cut. And continue doing this to the end of the motion. Now, leave this frame and delete the second one. And leave this one. And delete the next one. Do the same until the end of the motion. Now, let's see the final result. Here we go, we are done for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment down below in the comment section. And if you are interested in Adobe After Effects, take a look at our second channel, Saskiano. See you next time.